Hello, I am 3852 Bandaranayaka. In this assignment, I have designed and implemented a real-time data flow architecture using Apache NiFi. The problem I chose is cryptocurrency price monitoring. Cryptocurrency markets operate 24/7 and prices change every second. Traders and investors need an automated system that continuously fetches live Bitcoin prices. The process and transforms the raw data and automatically separates price alerts from normal readings. Without any manual intervention, this is a perfect use case for data flow architecture. The pipeline starts with the generate flow file processor. This acts as the trigger of the entire flow. It generates an empty flow file every 30 seconds, which kicks off the data fetching process automatically on a scheduled basis. The second processor is invoke HTTP. This sends a GET request to the Coinbase public API every time it receives a trigger flow file. It fetches the current live Bitcoin price in real time. The API returns a JSON response containing the Bitcoin price in US dollars. Next is evaluate JSON path. This processor transforms the raw JSON response and extracts just the Bitcoin price value from it. It uses this JSON expression to pull out the price and store it as a flowfly attribute called BTC price. This is the data transformation step of our pipeline. The fourth processor is route on attribute. This is the decision making component of the flow. It evaluates the extracted Bitcoin price and routes the flow file down one of two paths. If the price is above our threshold, it goes to the alert route. Otherwise, it goes to the normal route. This demonstrates conditional data routing based on real-time values. Finally, we have two put file processes. The first one saves alerts readings into a dedicated alerts folder, and the second saves all normal readings into a logs folder. This gives us a clear separation between critical alerts and regular monitoring data persisted to the file system in real time. Now let me show the pipeline running live. You can see here on the connection arrows, the data flowing through each stage generate flow file has processed multiple flow files. Invoke HTTP has successfully fetched responses from the API. Evaluate JSON path has transformed and extracted the price attribute, and route on attribute has routed them into both the alert and normal branches. The entire pipeline is operating automatically with zero manual intervention. Here you can see the logs folder inside the Docker container. Each file here represents one Bitcoin price reading that was captured by the pipeline. These are all normal readings that pass through the normal route. And here is the alerts folder. Since we set the threshold to trigger on all readings for demonstration purposes, you can see alert files being generated as well. In a real production scenario, this threshold will be set to a specific price level. And here is the actual content of one of the captured files. You can see the real live Bitcoin price. In this case, 78,167 US dollars, along with the base currency Bitcoin and quote currency USD. This is real data fetched from the Coinbase API and proceed through our NiFi pipeline. To summarize, this Apache NiFi data flow solution successfully addresses the problem of real-time cryptocurrency price monitoring. It demonstrates four core data flow architecture principles. First, schedule data injection using generate flow file and invoke HTTP. Second, data transformation using evaluate JSON path to extract meaningful attributes from raw JSON. Third, intelligent conditional routing using route on attribute to separate alerts from normal readings. And fourth, persistent data output using put file processors to store results in organized folders. The entire pipeline is declarative, requires zero custom code, runs continuously in real time, and is fully automated. Thank you.